Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage a blog with Blogger detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage a blog with Blogger, first, create an account if you don't have one. Go to the Blogger homepage and click on Create Your Blog. Choose a display name for your blog that represents your content. Sign in with your Google account details. Once logged in, click on the New Blog button. Pick a title for your blog that reflects your theme. Select a unique web address for your blog. Choose a template from the available options that best suits your style. Click on the Create Blog button to finalize your setup. To start writing a new post, click on the New Post button in your dashboard. In the post editor, enter a title for your post in the designated field. Write your content in the main body area. Use the formatting options to enhance your text with bold, italics, and lists. Add images or videos by clicking on the respective icons in the editor. To add labels to your post, find the Labels section and enter relevant keywords. Use the Schedule option if you want to publish the post at a future date. Click on the Preview button to see how your post will look once published. Once you're satisfied, click the Publish button to make it live. To manage your blog settings, navigate to the Settings menu on the left sidebar. Here, you can customize settings for privacy, comments, and permissions. To manage posts, go back to the dashboard and click on Posts. Edit or delete any existing posts as needed. To check your blog's performance, visit the Stats section in your dashboard. Analyze the data to understand your audience engagement and traffic sources. To connect your blog to social media, go to Settings and find the Share Buttons option. Enable sharing buttons for platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Regularly update your blog by posting new content to keep your audience engaged. Consider using Google Analytics for deeper insights into your blog's performance. Stay consistent with your posting schedule for better engagement. Engage with your audience by responding to comments on your posts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.